Yo, what's going on, guys? So I just opened up Fortnite this evening, and it is currently 8:50 p.m. Just tried to log in, and it says I do not have permission. I just want to quickly show you guys how I fix this problem. Over here we can see it's login failed. So what we're gonna do over here is really simple. I think somebody may have done something to these servers over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna type in v7.20 open bracket and then the version number 4727874 close bracket, and then it's going to say we have a security code that's going to be sent to our email, and then we are going to enter the security code. In my case, let me check over here. My code is 402935, and that should be good to go, and we're all set, guys. See that? Easy. We're good to go.